I'm about to show you why your best sales rep converts at 52% while others struggle at 19%, and it's not what you think. Now, most revenue leaders assume it's talent. They're wrong. After analyzing 100 plus sales teams, I've discovered something that will completely change how you think about sales performance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this performance gap exists, how much it's costing you in lost revenue, and the systematic approach we use to close it. I'm going to share with you the same framework that helped a Series C company add 4.2 million in revenue without hiring a single rep. Hey, I'm Marcus Shannon. Over the past 6 years, we've personally analyzed the revenue engines of over 100 companies, from Series A startups to 200 million plus enterprises and more. Now, prior to this, I was the #1 director at a Fortune 500 org running a 195 million a year sales org with over 110 employees while hitting President's Club every single year. Now, here's what I see everywhere. Sales teams hitting 40% to quota, pipelines full of deals that will never close, revenue leaders throwing solutions that symptoms instead of diagnosing the real problems. They implement Medic when only 30% of reps have qualification issues. They hire more reps when the problem is conversion rates. They roll out Challenger methodology when the gap is in their discovery skills. I recently worked with a fintech company that spent $280,000 in 8 months rebuilding their lead generation engine when the real problem was their discovery calls averaged 22 minutes instead of 47 minutes like their top performer. One methodology change would have fixed that in 30 days. Here's what most revenue leaders miss. Your top performer hasn't just gotten lucky, she's cracked a code that others haven't. She's identified specific stakeholder patterns, developed better qualification questions, or mastered a demo framework that the rest of your team is completely missing. Let me show you exactly what I mean. We work with a cybersecurity company hitting 43% of the $28 million target. The CEO wanted to double their sales team from 12 to 24 reps. But when we analyzed the data, we discovered that their top performer was converting qualified leads at 67%, while everyone else averaged 23%. That's the same territory, the same leads, the same training. The difference? She had developed a specific discovery framework that identified economic buyers and quantified business impact within the first 2 calls. Everyone else is running generic discovery calls and hoping for the best. We built a systematic framework based on her approach, and the result? 4.2 million additional revenue with the same 12-person team. So now I'm going to show you the exact methodology we use to uncover these hidden patterns. This is the same framework that's helped companies unlock 2 million to over 10 million in additional revenue. Let's start with week 1, the performance pattern analysis. We extract 18 and 24 months of data and identify exactly where your biggest conversion leaks are occurring. We're looking at stage-by-stage conversion patterns, velocity analysis, win-loss patterns, but here's the key. We break it down by the individual rep performance, deal size, and lead source. Then week 2, behavioral intelligence. This is where most teams fail. We analyze actual sales conversations to identify specific skill gaps. We listen to discovery calls, demo recordings, proposal calls. We're looking for exactly what your top performer does differently in those first 15 minutes of discovery that eliminates 47% of prospects before they even enter your pipeline. Here's a perfect example. A sales up platform was frustrated with a 19% demo to close rates. Average reps spent 43 minutes showing features, 17 minutes on discovery. Their top performer though, 31 minutes on discovery recap and custom scenarios, and only 29% on features. His conversion rate, 54%. Week 3, Mangement Assessment. Then we go deep with a handful of managers to understand exactly how they lead, coach, and develop the team. We're looking for consistent patterns that either systematically produce elite athletes or the exact constraints that make them a manager and not a real leader. Then week 4, framework development. We synthesize everything to specific implementable frameworks. And here's what happens when you get this right. For instance, an HR technology company we work with, the pipeline looked really healthy at 38 million. Our analysis revealed 71% of opportunities had been in the discovery stage for over 60 days. We implemented proper qualification frameworks. Now, pipeline dropped to 22 million, but the close rate jumped from 23% to 41%. And the result, 2.3 million more in actual revenue, or 180 million identity management company. 5 regional teams, identical processes, but a 23 million variance in performance. We identified 3 management practices and 2 frameworks that separate top performers, installed them across all the regions, and added 8.7 million in annual revenue. Now, across our clients, we typically see a 15% conversion improvement discovery frameworks, 22% sales cycle reduction from qualification improvements, 18% average deal size increase from economic buyer engagement, and a combined overall impact of 35 to 45% improvement in overall effectiveness. Now you might be thinking, this seems pretty comprehensive. We could probably handle this internally. Here's what that actually costs. So this is gonna take about 60 to 80 hours of senior management time to fully implement this properly. So if you're a sales VP at $175K salary, that's direct cost of about $6,720. A RevOps manager at a base salary of $128,000 equals about $4,960 in direct costs. For a data analyst at a average base salary of $91,000, that's $3,520 in direct costs. So if you add all those together, that's over $15,000 in direct labor costs alone, plus the opportunity costs. While your team spends 6 weeks analyzing the data, they're not coaching reps through $200,000 to $500,000 in stuck pipeline. For instance, a workflow automation company tried to do this internally. After 6 weeks, they concluded that demo conversions are low and sales cycles are long, which are insights that they already knew. And they missed the deeper patterns of specific stakeholder mapping techniques, missing ROI calculations, and coaching methodology gaps. This is also what happens when they have hidden biases. They see the symptoms they want to see and not the true root causes. This requires specialized expertise in large-scale revenue operations, conversion psychology, and systematic framework design. Most internal teams either oversimplify or get overwhelmed. So look, your team isn't broken. Your reps don't lack potential, and you don't need to hire away to better performance. You need to systematically identify your biggest conversion leaks and install frameworks that actually address them. Now, everything I just walked you through, this entire revenue diagnostic methodology, I've documented all on our website as a complete resource. So you have two options. Option number one, if you're ready to have us handle this for your team, we can complete the entire diagnostic in 2 to 3 weeks and deliver your revenue acceleration brief with specific recommendations. The investment starts at $25,000, and most clients recover this when we help them close just one additional deal per rep per quarter. So click the link below and schedule a 30-minute conversation. We'll discuss your specific performance patterns and determine if a diagnostic makes sense for your team. Or option number two, if you want to explore doing this internally first, I put together our complete revenue diagnostic playbook, a 27-page guide with everything I mentioned, plus implementation templates, interview scripts, and detailed case studies. This is the same methodology we use our clients to pay $25,000 for our diagnostic service. So click the second link below to download this complete playbook for free. Now remember, your biggest revenue opportunities aren't hiding in new strategies, they're hiding in the conversion leaks you haven't systematically identified and fixed. Your best rep has already solved your revenue problems. We just help you build frameworks so everyone else can execute like them too. Now, if this was helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more revenue growth strategies. And of course, don't forget to book a call below or download the link below as well to get a copy of this completely free as well. See you soon.